In this video, we're going to use conditional formatting, but our condition is going to be based on a drop-down list in column C. So the first thing we're going to do is add the drop-down list for each one of these employees in column C. Go to data validations, add rule, and I'm going to create a departments drop-down list. Now that I have my drop-down list, and it's based on each department, I want to add a condition now. And what that condition is going to be is based on the department from our drop-down list. I want the entire row to be a solid color based on the department. So for the accounting department, I want that whole row to be green, HR department, yellow, the marketing department, blue. So I'm going to add conditional formatting to this entire data set. Format, conditional formatting. And now for my format rules, I am going to use a custom formula. Equals C2 equals accounting close quote. And I want that to be green. And let me lock that cell in. So now the entire row changes green. I'm going to do that for the HR department and the marketing department. So I'm going to add a new rule for each one. Go to custom formula, use that same formula, but I want this to be yellow. So I'm gonna change the color to yellow and add another rule, custom formula, that same formula. And remember to add the quotes around the marketing department so that the formula, it calculates properly. Change this to blue, and there we go. So now, whenever we choose a department, it's gonna change the entire row to the color for that department. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.